Hello, guys, and welcome to Elite Currency Quick Trading Areas. My name is Nenad, and now you can see that we are running already some of the trades that I made with my ecsLIVE trading group. So we have actually GBP CAD running exactly. I shorted with my live trading group. I have shorts from a couple of days ago on 4 hour time frame with my Maremat trading method. So my expectation is that the GBP CAD is going to drop towards, I will tell you exactly which levels. So GBP CAD actually is better than other markets. My expectation is that it could go down to 75.50, and there around 75.50 we might see either a rejection to the upside or a break lower to 75.20 and eventually 74.90. So despite the GBP strength, of course, I'm still bearish on the GBP CAD, and my opinion that it will drop. Of course, guys, for my Elite Currency ecsLIVE members, I actually do the whole trade management. So you can always sign up for our services. If you go to our website, elitecurrency.com, you can actually apply for a live. Here you can check our website, and you can see how you can actually use our services with full money management and full support, guys, here. So for me, this is bearish. I will see how I will manage it. But of course, I'm running a very specific kind of trade management. I know when to scale out, when to put stop loss at break even. And this trade, as every other trade, requires, of course, once we are in a full trade management. Outside of this, my expectation for the euro dollar is also that it will drop. I have a sell position. Actually, I'm running two sell positions on our corporate account. You can always check my myfxbook performance on my myfxbook. I will send you the link just in seconds. So, guys, my expectation for euro dollar is that it will continue going down. First of all, the situation in eurozone is far from perfect. There is a lot of disputes between members of European Union. So I think that it's very far from a perfect situation, and because of all that, euro could actually drop versus dollar, of course, and of course technical charts go in that favor because with my Maremat system and also Black Widow confirmed it, we have a short trade. Okay, this is my FX book account that you can of course follow if you like. So those two trades are on my radar. Outside of that, I was also looking at some other markets, namely dollar CAD. Maybe we will have a long opportunity in the dollar CAD, but just because today we have actually a holiday in the US and in Canada, so I won't be trading dollar CAD. I don't like to trade a lot uh, during bank holidays, but I can say that dollar CAD might be going up. Also, guys, we need to pay attention to the dollar yen because dollar yen went into higher territory. I still see this. This was actually the entry in the dollar yen. I didn't trade this. I missed this one, but actually there was a good entry here on Maremat at 4 hour that markets actually might go up. So yeah, guys, I mean it's a tricky situation. I think the dollar will gain more momentum that might actually bring euro dollar further down. Also, one of the trades that I'm looking for, and I will tell you my trade idea, is gold. Last week, I had a very good trade with gold with my ecsLIVE group. We made 160 pips with gold with my signal. So here, guys, XAU, USD, or gold. My expectation is that we might be selling if the market comes in between 1860 and 1855. We might be having a sell position. So anywhere between 1860 and 1870, I would say 1860, 1870. If the market goes higher, that will be a sell. Also, if the market drops close to 1750 and 1765 zone, there could be a buy opportunity. So let's say I'm looking for a sell here and I'm looking for a buy here. Of course, this is prediction, I wait always for a clear signal on my template before I initiate a trade, and a clear signal is defined by rules of my Murray math. So, guys, thank you for listening. These are quick trading ideas. For more, of course, trading ideas, signals, trade, and risk management, sign up for ECS Live. And as Woody is saying, ECS Live rocks. Thank you, Woody. Thanks, everyone, guys. I will see you soon. Check the results on myfxbook. I'm always fully transparent. See you soon, guys. Cheers.